So here it is, the basic hard rock mining kit. So we have Crowbar, we have a pinch bar for prizing rocks and everything like that. We have a small chisel, busting through some quartz and granite and basalt or whatever you're dealing with. Spade head. These are jackhammer ones because you know they're tough. Get your normal pointed chisel head, another chisel head. There's actually one missing. That's interesting. And we've got just a screwdriver bit for prizing. You got the hand guard, and you've got just a couple of screwdrivers there, and of course small sledge, medium sledge, and my large sledgehammer is currently got a broken handle. But there you go, small hard rock mining kit. Obviously there's other things you use, you know, I've got picks and all sorts of stuff in that bucket there, but they're kind of irrelevant when it comes to the actual nitty gritty of it. I don't think, where's my other chisel? Yeah, there's one. Oh, I found my other one. 1 second. Oh yes, here we go. And there's the other parts to it. So we've got a car tyre iron, which is very handy for prizing things up, and another very large chisel piece. That one there is very handy, as you can see. Very, very big chisel head. There you go. Basic hard rock miners kit. And my dog. There you go. Basic hard rock mining kit. So like I said, that's sort of what you need really to get in amongst all the really good heavy quartz and solid quartz material, and find getting through all that pegmatite and stuff like that when you find smoky veins and whatever. There you go guys, hard rock mining kit.